Hello South Africa. City of Tshwane embark on a rescue mission amid illegal strike by municipal workers. City of Tshwane Mayor Cilliers Brink says the city's employees are working hard to restore services despite the volatile conditions. The striking municipal workers are allegedly using violence and intimidation to demand a 3.5% and 5.4% salary increases in spite of possible job loss. According to Brink, most city employees are on duty to provide services to residents, however some services remain suspended due to threats and intimidation of working employees. In an X, formerly known as Twitter, post Brink said, despite the illegal strike, threats and intimidation our teams were out on the streets last night cleaning as much of the inner city as possible. The city's MMC of Health, Rena Marks, confirmed that the FF Ribeiro, Folong, Roslyn, Karen Park, Littleton and Hercules clinics were forced to close due to the strike action. Brink described the conditions in the city as an assault and implored to residents to understand why there is a disruption in services. In a recent update, the GA Rankowa and Roslyn fire stations have also been closed due to intimidation and threats. Members of the South African Municipal Workers Union, SAMU, took to the streets to express their dissatisfaction over the 0% wage and salary increase for 2023 to 2024 passed by the council, among other issues. The workers continued with the action, prompting threats from the city management that they would be identifying those who had taken part, and they could face dismissal. Brink explained, however, that the municipality could not afford salary increases and we will be looking at mitigation. We pay cash for videos. WhatsApp 060 011 021 1. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.